In the diagram below, measure of angle L is 40 degrees, we can write. Measure of angle MNL is 100 degrees. Measure of angle NMK is 60 degrees. Which statement is true? This segment divides our triangle KLM to two triangles, and we know that the measure of interior angle of triangle is 180 degrees. So because this angle is 100 degrees, that 40 degrees, so measure of angle LMN will be 180 degrees minus 140, so 140 degrees. So this is equal 40 degrees. We have measure of angle LMN. This is 40 degrees. Because, like I said, measure of interior angles is 180 degrees. We have angle L and angle M. Measure of angle M will be 60 degrees plus 40 degrees. This is 100 degrees. So we can calculate measure of angle K. Measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. From 180 degrees we have to subtract measure of angle L and measure of angle M. So measure of angle K, what will be 180 degrees minus L is 40 degrees and M is 100 degrees. So measure of angle K is 40 degrees. So this is 40 degrees. Now we have to check which statement is true. Triangle KLM is scaling triangle. It means that triangle has not congruent sides. We can write no congruent sides. Because measure of angle K is equal to measure of angle L, we can tell that segment KM is congruent to LM because we have these two interior angles the same. So we can write that because measure of angle K is equal to measure of angle L, so KM segment is congruent to LM segment. So it means that this triangle has these two sides congruent. It means that we have here isosceles triangle. So you can write triangle KLM is isosceles. So the third statement is true. What else? The fourth statement is that triangle KLM is obtuse. Triangle is obtuse if has one obtuse angle. And we know that the measure of obtuse angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Because angle M is 60 plus 40, we calculate that this is 100 degrees, so it's between this interval. we can write that angle M is obtuse, so triangle KLM is obtuse. The fourth statement is also true. Measure of angle NML is 30 degrees. No. Measure of angle NML, or you can write LMN, is the same angle, is 40 degrees. So we can write that measure of angle NML is equal to measure of angle LMN. We calculate. And is equal 40 degrees. So the second statement is not true. And the first statement, non-congruent sides, no. This triangle is, like we said, isosceles triangle, because this triangle KLM has two congruent sides. So this triangle is not scalene triangle. I can write that triangle KLM is not scalene. So the first and the second statement is not true. Only the third and fourth statements are true. This is my solution.